Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If you are trying to load Minecraft on your console or mobile device and are hit with error code SD007, your device is actively failing to read or write game data to your external SD card. Because this is a physical storage timeout and not a standard Mojang server code, I will show you exactly how to bypass this hardware block and rescue your worlds right now. Let's get started. First, because SD007 is a hardware communication error, your microSD card might simply be loose, overheating, or have dirty contact pins. Completely power down your device. Do not just put it into sleep or standby mode. Carefully eject the external SD card from the slot. Gently wipe the gold metal connector pins with a clean, dry microfiber cloth and firmly push it back into the device until you feel a solid click. Turn your system back on and launch Minecraft to see if the direct hardware connection has been fully restored. Next, if the card is perfectly clean but the game still throws the error when you try to download a marketplace map or save your world, your temporary storage cache is deeply corrupted. Open your Minecraft main menu, click on Settings, scroll down the left-hand sidebar, and click on the Storage tab. Explicitly click the button labeled Clear Marketplace Cache to safely purge the broken temporary files without harming your actual saved worlds. If you are playing on a Nintendo Switch, you should also go into your system settings, select Data Management, and run the built-in tool to check for corrupted data. Finally, if the error completely refuses to go away, your specific SD card is likely permanently failing, corrupted, or simply too slow to process modern Minecraft chunk generation. To bypass the failing hardware entirely, navigate to your device's core system settings and locate the Minecraft application under your storage management menu. Select the option to physically move or transfer the entire game and its saved world data directly onto your device's fast internal hard drive. By forcing the game engine to run off the internal system memory instead of the external card, you will completely eliminate the read error. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching.